I want to talk about why training and development in the corporate sector often fails to deliver the results we expect. It is a simple reason. Just remember, dogs are trained, but humans are educated. Again, dogs are trained and humans are educated. What does it mean? Let me break it down for you. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Corporate spending on sermon-based trainings that end up being a waste of time and money. You know, those sessions where someone stands at the front preaching about teamwork and motivation. Yeah, those, while they may seem inspiring in the moment, they rarely lead to any real change or improvement in the workplace. Investing in these ineffective trainings, companies should focus on providing practical and hands-on learning experiences. Think about it. We learn best by doing, activity-based action, doing, right? So why not implement interactive workshops, simulations, and real life scenarios that allow employees to apply their knowledge directly? Just take my word for it. Research backs this up. Two studies have shown that active learning methods lead to better retention and skill development. For example, a recent study by the National Training Laboratories found that learners retain only 5% of information from lecture-style presentations, compared to 75% when they practice what they have learned. So it's time for companies to shift their mindset from training to education. Instead of treating employees like passive recipients of information, let's empower them to become active participants in their own learning journey. This means providing an ongoing opportunities for growth and development rather than just one-time training event. Now, I'm not saying all training programs are ineffective, so don't take me wrong. There are certainly some great ones out there that provide valuable insights and skills. However, we need to ensure that these programs are evidence-based and tailored to the specific needs of employees. Overall, in conclusion, I would say it's time for a change in the corporate sector. I'm coming from an HR background myself. Let's move away from sermon-based trainings that drain resources without delivering the results. Instead, let's embrace an educational approach that engages employees, encourages active learning, and ultimately lead to a more skilled and motivated workforce. Remember, again, we are not dogs to be trained. We are humans who thrive on education. Stay curious, my friends.